And it's such a pleasure for me to be here today because, as you can see behind us here, this is our very first attempt to really go for green energy. And these solar panels that have been installed in this factory will at least help us to shave a minimum of 30% of our consumption in our factory. And the most important thing as well is that 15% also savings in terms of the energy cost. And this is very, very important for our business in Isar.
This is something that we are doing because we have to return back to community. We have to face our future generations with pride that we are trying to protect this Mother Earth for our future generations.